Hey, it's Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. Today I have a great little idea for you, something to think about. It's a creative way to use a die-cut geometric pattern overlay that feels contemporary and interactive. I think you're really going to like it, so let's take a closer look. This first example is an oversized corporate sleeve brochure design that has a lot of presence. A series of die-cut circles reveal a blue and orange pattern. This has a subtle Connect 4 feeling to me if you've ever played that game. The thumb pull at the top invites you to remove the brochure that's inside. Simple, clean graphics and typography, nice use of circles on the interior image. This is really well-designed corporate capabilities brochure. I think what really makes this idea work is the insert. You inevitably create motion under the circles as you remove it. Here's the same technique designed for an event invitation. I love the simple gradient fade effect they're using. Smaller circles, spaced out more, change in paper and proportion, but cool to see the technique in a different context with an entirely different personality. That was great, wasn't it? That concept seamlessly morphed from B2B to events in one jump. I've been having fun looking through the archive to find multiple examples of different concepts to demonstrate just how flexible some of these techniques can be. With print marketing, the limit truly is your imagination and your budget. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit Foldfactory.com. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.